Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In this video, I'll show you how to create social media posts using Imimic. This tool allows you to quickly generate content for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn using AI, which makes managing social media much faster and easier. Let's get started. So when you first open iMimic, you'll see the influencer section on the dashboard. This is where all your influencers are listed. So if you want to add a new influencer, simply click Add Influencer button and enter the required information. So you can generate posts for a specific influencer by selecting them from the list. Once you choose an influencer, click on their profile to open their workspace. Inside influencer's profile, you'll see an overview of their activity dashboard. So this includes a daily generation chart, which shows how much content has been created. Now, from this area, influencers can generate images, videos, and social media posts depending on the modules available in the platform. Now, let's look at how to create a social media post. So, to start, click on Facebook Post. So this section allows you to generate Facebook content using AI. If you're not sure what to post, iMimic provides helpful tools to generate ideas. One of these is the Suggest Topics feature. So this tool generates topic suggestions you can use for your post. Another useful feature is Fresh Ideas from News. So this pulls ideas based on the latest news trends. This can be very helpful if you want your content to stay relevant and timely. So after choosing your idea source, the next step is selecting an AI model. So inside a drop-down menu, you'll see all available AI models that can be used to generate content. Once the model is selected, you'll need to choose a generation mode. So the available modes include Create Post, generates a brand new social media post. You have Enhanced Content, so improves an existing piece of text. And you have Make Concise, so it shortens the content while keeping the main message. Next is to enter your prompt. So this is where you describe the type of content you want the AI to generate. For example, you might write a short description about the topic or message you want in your post. If you want to refine your prompt, you can click the AI button. So this feature automatically improves the prompt to make it clearer and more effective for the AI model. Once the prompt is optimized, you'll also see the model cost displayed. So this shows how many credits will be used to generate the content. After reviewing everything, click the Generate Content button. Now the system will then create your Facebook post automatically. Once the content appears, you'll see several options. So you can click Copy to copy the generated text and use it on your social media platform. If you don't want to keep the result, you can simply click on Delete right here. Now let's explore how to generate topic suggestions. So to do this, click the Suggest Topic option. Start by selecting the AI model you want to use. Then you'll see a field where you can enter a topic. So this field is optional. If you already have a specific topic in mind, you can enter it here to generate related suggestions. If you leave it blank, the system will generate general topic ideas instead. After reviewing the model cost, click the Generate Topic button. Now, within a few seconds, the platform will generate multiple topic suggestions. These will appear in the list so you can review them and click on the topic you like the most. Once selected, the topic will automatically appear in the prompt area, allowing you to generate content based on that idea. Now, let's take a look at the Fresh Ideas from News feature. So, click on Fresh Ideas from News to generate ideas based on current news topics. So, first, choose the AI model you want to use. Then select a date range for the news data. So the available options include today, this week, 15 days, or this month. After selecting the range, you'll again see the model cost displayed. Next, click Generate Fresh Ideas to continue. Now the system will analyze recent news and generate several content ideas for you. So these ideas will appear in the list and you can simply click one to use it. So just click on it. Then the selected idea will automatically be added to your prompt so you can generate a post from it. If you want to return to the main dashboard, simply click Back button. And now let's look at creating posts from other social media platforms. Now to generate an Instagram post, simply click on Instagram post right here. The process here is very similar. So first choose your AI model, then select the generation mode. After that, enter your prompt describing the content you want to create. If needed, you can click the AI button to improve the prompt automatically. Now, once everything looks good, review the model cost and click generate content. So the AI will then generate the Instagram caption or post text. So just like before, you'll have the option to copy or delete the generated content. Next, let's create a Twitter or X post. So click the X post right here and repeat the same process. So select your AI model, choose a generation mode, and enter your prompt. So if you want to improve the prompt, click the AI enhancement button, then click generate content. So the platform will produce a Twitter or X post for you, and you can copy the result or delete it if you want to generate a new version. Finally, let's create a link in post. So click the link in post, select the AI model you want to use, choose a generation mode, and enter your prompt. Now, if necessary, improve the prompt using the AI button. And once the prompt is ready and you have reviewed the model cost, click generate content. So within seconds, the AI will generate a link in post. You can then copy the content or delete if needed. So as you can see, creating social media posts in Imimic is very simple. With just a few clicks, you can generate high quality content for multiple platforms using AI. Now, this makes it much easier to manage social media campaigns, generate fresh ideas, and create posts consistently without spending hours writing content manually. And that's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.